Ever wondered why polar bears look white? Surprise, their fur is see-through. Incredibly, each hair is a transparent hollow tube reflecting light to blend seamlessly with snowy Arctic landscapes. This clever camouflage is key to their survival, allowing them to stealthily approach prey in stark, icy terrains. In fact, this adaptation doesn't just help them hunt. It showcases nature's genius in adapting life to extreme habitats. Yet, it's more than just a furry mystery. It's a testament to evolution's remarkable touch. Discovering this stirs awe at how life brilliantly thrives despite cold challenges.